नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 11वी सायन्स बायोलॉजी म्हणजे की जीवशास्त्र या विषयी आपण थोडक्यात माहिती जाणून घेणार आहोत. बायोलॉजी याला मराठीत जीवशास्त्र असे म्हणतात. बायो मीन्स लाईफ, लोगस मीन्स स्टडी इज अ फुल फॉर्म ऑफ biology. In the 11th syllabus, subject biology have present chapters 1 to 16. Chapter 1 to 16 is divided into biology part first and biology part second. Syllabus of biology is divided into two paper first botany, paper second zoology. In the paper first botany means study of plants, 8 units divided into this paper. Then paper second zoology means study of animal, 8 chapters are contained. In the paper first botany, first chapter is living world, second systematic of living organism, third kingdom plantae, chapter 6 biomolecules, 7th cell division, 8 plant tissue and anatomy, 9th morphology of flowering plant, then 12 photosynthesis. These all chapters are divided in a paper first, also called as a part of botany. Then paper second zoology contains 8 chapters: kingdom Animalia, cell structure and organization, animal tissue, study of animal type, cockroach, respiration and energy transfer, human nutrition, excretion, osmoregulation, skeleton and movement. I am Pawan. My full name is Pawan V. Patil. I am your biology teacher. Teach biology paper second, name as zoology or also called as a bio second. In the biology part second, also called as a zoology, first chapter we have study animal tissue. This is a basic introduction of syllabus. Hence, we start from animal tissue. Before the start animal tissue chapter, some basic concept we are studying. Cell. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. Smallest structural and functional unit of life is called as a cell. सेलला मराठीत पेशी असं म्हणतात. The average number of cells in the human body is approximately 100 trillion, and they are of 200 different types. Means 100 trillion cells are present in human body in the 200 different types. Next is the tissues. A group of cell having same embryonic origin, structure and function. A group of cell is also called as a tissue. A group of cell having same embryonic origin, structure and function. Same embryonic origin, same structure and same function of cell is called as a tissue. Tissue performing similar function and having similar embryonic origin and structure. Next is organ system. Organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform a specific function. Organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform a specific function. The part of body which perform a specific function is called as an organ. System. Then body. The physical structure of organism including the bones, flesh and organs of animals called as body. Body made from cell, tissue, organ system and last perform a complete body. First from cell, then tissue, then organ system and body. Cell is the smallest unit of life. Tissue performing similar function having similar embryonic origin and structure. Organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform a specific function. And last, body. The physical structure of organism including bones, flesh, organs in animal. In the human body, 100 trillion cells are present, divided into 200 different types. But these 200 different types of cell is divided into basically two subtypes. There are two types of cell present in the all over human body. First is a somatic cell and another is a germ cell. Somatic cell. Soma means body, cell. The all body cells are classified in somatic cells. Somatic cells that is present all over the body. They have capacity to divide and redivide. They have capacity divide and redivide. The all body cells. We are repeat again. The all body cells are called as a somatic cell except sperm and ova. The example of somatic cell is a epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. These all tissue cells, epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue cells are called as a somatic cells, means body cells. They have capacity to divide and redivide. The another part of cell is called as a germ cell or also called as a sex cell. The cell present in a reproductive tract, they produce gamete. Germ cell is also called as sex cells. Example sperm and ova. Germ cell present in only reproductive tract, in male reproductive tract and female reproductive tract. In the male reproductive tract, the sperm is a germ cell present, and female reproductive tract, ovum or ova is a germ cell is present, also called as a sex cell. Then definition of histology. The study of the structure and arrangement of tissue is called histology. The study of the structure and arrangement of tissue is called as a histology. Then our chapter first contain there are four types of tissue present in animals. First is the epithelial tissue or also called as epithelium, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Four types of cell present in human body. This cell unite and creates the tissue. Tissue is a group of cells performing similar function and having similar embryonic origin and structure. These four types of tissue we are studying in details this chapter. Let's start epithelial tissue or also called as a epithelium. Epithelial tissue. Epi means above, thelium means layer. Epithelial tissue a covering on inner and outer surface of body and organ. A covering on inner and outer surface of body and organ. The cells of this tissue is compactly arranged cells with little intercellular matrix. Cell rest on basement membrane. Cells are polygonal, cuboidal or non-columnar in shape. The shape of this cell is a polygonal, cuboidal or non-columnar in shape. It has good capacity to regeneration. These cells are compactly arranged. So, what is the function of epithelial tissue? The function of epithelial tissue is a protection of body parts, then absorption. To absorb nutrient and liquid from food. Transport is a function of epithelial tissue. Transport means to transfer in the body fluids. Then filtration in the respiratory and excretory system, and last function is a secretion of mucus like saliva, digestive enzyme, hormones, etc. The first part of tissue, epithelial tissue, is divided into two subtypes: simple epithelial tissue and compound epithelial tissue. Simple epithelial tissue are divided into 7 types: squamous epithelial tissue, cuboidal epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue, ciliated epithelium, glandular epithelium, sensory epithelial tissue, germinal epithelial tissue. Then second part, compound epithelial tissue are divided into 2 types. Name denoted compound epithelial tissue. These are compound of inner tissue and cells. The compound epithelial tissue are classified into 2 types: stratified epithelium, second is a transitional epithelium. So we are start epithelial tissues. Simple epithelial tissue first type, squamous epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue is also called as a pavement epithelial tissue. Pavement means is a like pavement block or brick. The shape of cell is like pavement, called as a pavement epithelial tissue. The squamous epithelial tissue study before one thing you understand. In the biology subject, any content, any part, when we are studying, so concentrate their location, structure and function. So what is location? Location means where this part present inside the body, where the location of this part or position of this part. Then next is a structure. So how to structure of this part, cells or tissue, how to shape of these cells. Then next is a function. Function means why this body part present in the our body, they are called as a function or also called as a working. So start squamous or pavement epithelial tissue. The location or also called as a position. The location of squamous epithelial tissue is found in inner lining of blood vessels. The inner lining of blood vessels is made from squamous epithelial tissue layer. The alveoli is made from also squamous epithelial tissue, and inner body coelom is made from squamous epithelial tissue. It is found in inner lining of blood vessels, alveoli and body coelom. Then structure. Structure means how to see this cell, how to shape of this cell or how to arrangement of cell and nucleus. So structure of squamous epithelial cells are flat, thin, polygonal with serrate margin. Serrate margin means a zigzag margin. Cells of this tissue fit together like tiles. As a like flooring tiles or pavement, the same cells of this tissue together fitted in the tiles. Prominent spherical or oval nucleus is present in the center. The position of nucleus is present in the center. The shape of nucleus is spherical or oval. See in the figure, the cells are compactly arranged with a serrate margin. Nucleus present in the centrally. The whole tissue resting on a basement membrane. The nucleus is oval or spherical. So what is the function of this tissue? The function of this tissue: protection, then absorption, transport and filtration. Protection of inner cells, inner tissue, then absorption of material, transport and filtration are the function of squamous epithelial tissue. In the animal tissue, we have studied cell, tissues, organ system, body. There are two types of cells: somatic cell, germ cell, histology. Four type of cell: tissue, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Then introduction of epithelial tissue, part of epithelial tissue and first part we have completed. Squamous epithelial are also called as a pavement epithelial tissue.